Leftovers can be a convenient and economical way to enjoy meals without the hassle of daily cooking. However, it's crucial to exercise caution when consuming certain leftover foods, as improper handling and storage can lead to bacterial contamination or a decline in quality. Let's explore 7 types of leftover foods that you should approach with care to ensure both safety and enjoyment. 1. Cooked rice. Despite being a staple in many households, cooked rice can pose risks if not handled properly. Bacillus cereus, a bacteria commonly found in soil, can survive the cooking process and multiply when rice is left at room temperature. To mitigate this risk, refrigerate or freeze leftover rice promptly after cooking. 2. Raw sprouts. While sprouts are lauded for their nutritional benefits, they can harbor harmful bacteria like Salmonella and E. coli. The warm, moist conditions ideal for sprouting also facilitate bacterial growth. It's advisable to consume sprouts when fresh or thoroughly cook them to eliminate potential risks. 3. Leafy greens. Leftover salads or cooked greens with high moisture content can become a breeding ground for bacteria. Dressings and other toppings contribute to faster spoilage. To maintain freshness, store salads in airtight containers and consume them within a day or 2. 4. Eggs. Hard-boiled eggs are a popular protein source, but improper storage can lead to an unpleasant sulfuric odor. Additionally, dishes containing eggs should be reheated thoroughly to eliminate any potential bacteria, ensuring their safety for consumption. 5. Seafood. The perishable nature of fish and shellfish makes them susceptible to spoilage. Leftover seafood should be consumed within a day or 2 and stored in the refrigerator to minimize the risk of foodborne illnesses. 6. Chicken, poultry, particularly chicken, is prone to bacterial contamination, especially from Salmonella. Ensure that leftover chicken is reheated thoroughly to eliminate any bacteria that may have multiplied during storage. 7. Mushrooms. Mushrooms can degrade quickly, especially when cooked or sautéed. Leftover mushrooms can become slimy, indicating a decline in quality and safety. It's advisable to consume them promptly or discard if any signs of spoilage are present. In conclusion, while leftovers offer convenience, proper storage and handling are crucial to minimize potential risks. Refrigerate perishable foods promptly and adhere to recommended consumption timeframes to ensure both safety and quality. When in doubt, it's better to discard questionable leftovers to prevent potential foodborne illnesses.